What is up, guys? Yeah, this video is going to be about me trying to go pro in 7 days in Fortnite. This was my tournament from yesterday. So actually I recorded a lot of things, but my mic didn't work, so now I'm speaking like over the clip, and sometimes I'm just gonna speak over, but yeah, like I don't know how much it is, but there's a I'm gonna have my voice at the tournament, but until then I won't have my voice. So whenever the tournament is, it's just gonna pop up on the screen right here. But I'm gonna be trying to go pro or whatever in 7 days. I'm gonna be training as hard as I can and seeing if I can at least qual to solo cash cup finals, or like at least see if I can beat my record for the last week. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, so basically what I'm saying here is that I gotta get to elite before the week ends. Right now I'm diamond 2. I'm trying to get to diamond 3 or something like that before this day ends. But I don't know. This is, by the way, I don't know. But yeah, this is no, Tuesday. But I already I actually skipped yesterday. Yeah, I didn't even get on, so that's bad. But yeah, it is how it is. But I'm just gonna show you what my daily routine is, and after that I think the tournament is gonna come. Actually, I'm gonna play FNCS like on Tuesday, which is like in a couple of hours, and then I'm gonna maybe like show I'm gonna show how much points we got. I don't think we are gonna. I don't know. I don't think he would want his voice on here. So, uh, you're just gonna see how well we did. But it's only Tuesday, and I skipped yesterday, so I don't think it's gonna be that good. But yeah, enjoy the time lapse. I hope. I'm gonna be yeah, the first thing I do is free build for 5 to 10 minutes. So alright, so now I'm gonna be doing like kinda like crosshair placements. The first 50 of them you can see out in the left side, in the like left middle, yeah. Um that is how many I've done. So first 50 I just focus on crosshair placement and actually making the edit, and on the last 50 I just try to do it as fast as humanly possible. So yep. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I've done 100. There's like there's these 5 sides, and every day I take like one on one side, and then like not on each side every day. What, just one section, and I do that one 5 times. So yeah, I'm on this one over here. Not that one, the one to the right. But yeah, just do these 5 times a day, and after 15 days, you just restart. So yeah. Alright, so the next step is peace control. I take like 2 levels every day and do them 10 to 20 times. Like one level 10 to 20 times and the other level 10 to 20 times. And I'm at level 7. And here in peace control, like you can both focus on like getting your enemy pieced and just focus on hitting your shots. That is like my advice. So yeah. Alright, now we are going to do aim drills, and you should mainly focus on glider tracking and sphere tracking, and get like it's 5 to 10 kills on each one. Right here I only do 5. I recommend you do 10, and I also do that, but it's just because the video will get like a million years long if I, yeah. So yes. Okay, so next off is comp, and you will, yeah, you are gonna take like one every day and just like do it 5 times. So just take it up from the left corner and just like go, yeah, like I show in the video. Yes, every day. Just do 5 of it. But today I'm at clutch practice, and here you just go full health, and you have 200 health. First off, 1v3, and then 1v4, and all the way up to 1v8. If you lose one, you take that one again, and if, yeah, uh, and then you just have to win every round. Like, because this one is a special one. Don't take 5 on this one. Just take like 1v, yeah, 3 and up. And now for the last thing before we go to before we go into other game modes than V5. If you search V5, then it pops up. Uh, it's like free builds again, but you can also have these bots on, so you can like just kill them. You can just yeah, yeah, just watch. Now we go into turtle fights. I would recommend using the weapons that is in Battle Royale right now. 10 to 30 kills. I just did 10 because, or else this video is getting really wrong, but really long. But of course, I'm gonna be training as hard as even possible. So of course, I did it after. Um, so yeah, just I don't know, enjoy watching this. Alright, so now we play reload. 2 to 5 games. If I die off spawn, that is before top 20. Um, like I die, I yeah, I get back to the lobby. Then I have to play 3 games. If that also happens in the second game, that I have to play 4, and if it also happens in the third game, I have to play 5, and 5 is capped, so I'm not gonna be playing over 5 reload games. But yeah, yeah, you're only gonna be seeing some highlights because like else it would be really boring. I'm ending it off with solo endless zone wars. You know, I said yesterday, for me it's yesterday, that I would play FNCS Div 5, so this is how it ended. We didn't have enough time to play our last game out, or like, we didn't have, because I had to go to bed. Mm. So we would have got around 200 points if we like really tried. Um, that is like top 2000 or something, I think. But like 160 points is insanely good because it's my first ever FNCS, and the person I'm playing with has not played in like a year, so it's pretty good, I think at least. Uh, and yes. Alright, so you didn't see the tournament, so that means, yeah, I didn't qualify. I did not even get to elites, but you know what? That doesn't matter because, like, there was only like, I don't know, 500 people that actually got to the rank. Nobody actually got to the rank because Fortnite fucked up their rank system. Like, it's just too hard now. But yeah, this was the tournament, the ranked Zero Build Cup. We actually did pretty good. That's why I gifted him a skin, and I bought it too. So yes, we did pretty good. Um, the reason why, um, even though I did not even qualify, first of all, the one of the reasons is I made, even though I didn't qualify, I made really good progress, like in my, I don't know if you can say Fortnite career, but yeah. And yeah, it's also like just to say never give up. Like you can fail. You just gotta get back up and work and work and work and work again. Actually, this is like over 1 week after. This is 1 week exactly after the tournament. I've been on Fortnite 2 times because I was demotivated. Bro, it's not worth it. Keep playing. If you get down, just build yourself up again. If you get shot down from high ground, you gotta build up again. So when I'm 100% sure I'm qualified, I'm gonna be doing this challenge again, and then I'm actually gonna be completing it. So yeah, peace out.